Jackson.
Hello.
Daddy's favorite color is blue. What about you? Blue is spelled B-L-U-E. Let's go find some blue things, you and me. This cup is blue. Let's go get some other blue stuff. Come sit. Come down this way.
Let's go.
Where are some blue things?
Let me see.
I do.
Aha.
Jackson's shoes are blue. The sword is blue. Jackson's rocking horse is... Yeah. I see another blue thing. Let's go find it. Me and you.
Yes.
You see? Jackson's hairbrush is... Your shirt is blue. Today we learned about some blue things, Daddy and you.